This presentation guides you through integrating Slack with Boomi. Learn how to automate notifications and improve team collaboration. Integrating Slack with Boomi allows organizations to automate notifications and status updates directly from Boomi processes into Slack channels. By integrating Slack into your Boomi workflows, you can send alerts when a Boomi process succeeds or fails, notify teams when files are processed, and improve monitoring. This helps teams stay informed instantly without manual intervention. To configure the redirect URL, go to Features, then OAuth and Permissions in your Slack app. Scroll to Redirect URLs, click Add New Redirect URL, and enter the provided URL format. Scopes define what actions Boomi is allowed to perform in Slack. Under OAuth and Permissions, scroll to Scopes. Configure the Slack connector in Boomi by going to Connectors, selecting Slack, and creating a new connection. After running the Boomi process, the message should appear in the configured Slack channel. Boomi process reporting will show a successful execution, and Slack confirms message delivery in real time. Integrating Slack with Boomi improves process visibility, operational awareness, and team collaboration. This integration is especially effective for production monitoring, error handling notifications, and real-time business event updates. In summary, integrating Slack with Boomi enhances process visibility and team collaboration. By following these steps, you can turn Boomi into a proactive communication engine for your organization.